stroke. Wash means soap, wash. Circular stroke, circular stroke. Pay attention to the area crease and the area crease. Sick room, cook sick, tissue, another tissue, and gusher fall. Wash means add soap. Circular stroke, circular stroke. Pay attention to the area crease and the other area crease and the sick room, cook sick, and issue, another issue, and gusher fall. Get another
Towel.
Get another towel. So wash, rinse, rinse. Circular stroke, circular stroke. Pay attention of the area crease and the other area crease. Sick room, cook sick, issue, another issue, and gusher fall. Then discard and pat dry. And get another towel and pat dry.
Pwede naman ang towel na sa ibabaw. Okay. Change na ni mo incontinent
Then
pad
get
pa
the
lang.
lotion to
Cream.
avoid
Cream.
cream. This one. Get the cream to avoid rashes
And bed sore.
and bed sores. Then remove the incontinent pad
And diaper.
and diaper. So fold to avoid swelling the spaces and urine. Then get another new incontinent pad and
I-recycle na ito. New na kitahin na. New.
then put the Then the patient is back to supine position slowly. Good. Then fix the towel to avoid soiling. And put into the another band towel, put into the between the legs and abdomen.
Ikuan, ipilit. Ipilit. Di ba kakadoan ako dili naman ipilit. Ayan. Huwag nila pa di maibot.
Then prepare the materials. And the cotton balls. Then prepare the materials. First, the cotton balls. And the betadine. Then remove the gloves. Gloves to gloves. Remove the gloves, gloves to gloves, and hand wash. Then get the sterile gloves and the sterile, check the integrity of gloves and the any discolorations and insect bites, of course the sizes and the expiration date, then find the thumbs thumbs out and draft, discard, then open the cells of the gloves, then insert the non-dominant hand and dominant hand, non-dominant hand and dominant hand. Then insert the dominant hand and find the flaps and explore the fingers and do the sequence. Then get the cotton balls with betadine and hold the insertion of the catheter and get the another cotton balls with betadine and 2/3 high and rotatory motion in a single stroke. There and do it at least 3 times. Discard. Then insert the
Squeeze.
squeeze to insert the betadine into the urethra. Then done. Then remove the towel. And wear the diaper. If the patient is male, is the front of the diaper is higher than the back. If the patient is female, is the front of the diaper is lower at the back.
Shorter. Shorter at the front. Higher at the back pag female, di ba?
Then wear then remove the towel. Then fix the hands. Then hold the top sheets.
Okay, kuna standing position. Application of diaper, standing position.
Standing position. Standing position. Hindi, naka-wear na kanya. Bulitin lang po.
Kaware na ka na.
Then put the incontinent pad into the loob. So, unfasten the diaper. Unfasten.
Unfasten.
Then, use the clean part of the diaper to clean the buttocks. Clean the buttocks at the ischium, coccyx, and luteal fold. Then, at the back to clean the
Front. Front. The front to clean the
front to in the
perineum.
perineum,
Okay.
scrotum, and under scrotum.
Sige. Dispose diaper.
Expose diaper.
Dispose.
Dispose.
Na, nayabo na.
Dira naman siya.